Hello! Today on Mom's Cooking Channel, we will learn how to make this soft and delicious dessert that is special for Iranian Nowruz. To bake this sweet, we need 500 grams of chickpea flour and 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. We also need 250 grams of solid oil and 200 grams of powdered sugar. Mix the sugar powder and oil together for about 7 minutes until white and fluffy. Then sift the flour little by little and mix. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla. Once the desserts are baked in this way, if you want the dessert to be colorful, you can add a little saffron. Keep some of the flour and add into the ingredients necessary. If the dough is too dry, you can add oil. Knead the ingredients well with your hands. Knead the dough until it forms a ball and doesn't crack. If you knead it too much, the dough will release oil. Rest the dough in the refrigerator for 2 hours to a day. You can use butter and cocoa or pistachio powder for decoration. Roll out the dough to a diameter of 1 to 2 centimeters. Then cut it with the desired mold. If you don't have a mold, make small balls. Arrange the dessert on the baking tray. And decorate with cacao. And put it in the oven at 145 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Once the desserts are baked in this way, don't touch them for 1 hour because they will fall apart. Then serve them. Please like and subscribe to me so I can make more videos.